ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ತ್ಯಾಗ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯಗಳು ಇದೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಮೀರಿ ನನಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಮಯ ನೀಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನೀವು ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ನಂಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನೋ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಿದ್ದಿ ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನನಗೆ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬೇಕು, ಏನು ಬೇಡ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಳೆದು ನೀವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರ ನೀಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ, ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಾತು, ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ನಡವಳಿಕೆಗೂ ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಅದು ನಾನು ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಇಡೀ ಜನ್ಮ, ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಜನ್ಮ ಆದರೂ ನೀವು ನೀಡಿರೋ ಪ್ರೀತಿಗೆ ನಾನು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿರೋ ಪಾಠಗಳನ್ನ, ನೀವು ಕಲಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ, ಲವ್ ಯು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Everyone, my name is Kriti. I would like to wish my parents happy Parents Day, as they have sacrificed their lives in many things to me. They help me in many things, like in my studies. They have been gems in my life. They inspire me in many things. They help me teach lessons of honesty and sincerity towards others. It is my responsibility to make them feel special like how they did, and still doing it in my life unconditionally. So through this note, I would like to wish my parents once again a very happy Parents Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sanchita. I first like to say Happy Parents Day. I thank school management for giving me this opportunity to share feelings about my parents. I love you Papa Mama. You have been a precious gem in my life and you are helping me to shine in the future. I love you and Happy Parents Day.
We often lounge in our happy homes, eat good food and sleep soundlessly. Do you know who made all this possible? Yes, it is our dear parents out there. Happy Parents Day to all the parents present out there. Thank you for your belief in us. Your belief in us has made all this possible. You are the architects for our future. You have made our future brighter than the brightest star. We would like to thank you for that. This day, we would like to commemorate in our gratitude towards you. Our immense gratitude towards you will always be there and unwavering. Thank you.
तू चांद है, तू सूरज है, तू ममता की मूरत है, तू सहलाती बाल मेरा है, खुशियों से भर लेती जीवन सारा है। तू ही उजाला, तू ही मेरे दिल का एक अनमोल किनारा है। मैं आपसे यही कहना चाहूँगा, आपके होने से जीवन सूरज सा उजाला है। दिन आप ही, शाम आप ही, दिल की आवाज़ आप ही, और पन्नों में छपे ABCD से लेकर अल्फ़ा बीटा भी आप ही। जैसे शाहजहां ने रख दिया ताजमहल मुमताज़ के कदमों पर, वैसे ही रख दूँ सारी खुशियाँ आपकी कदमों की चौखट पर। पापा से लड़ते हैं, उलझते हैं, बातों में कभी झुंझलाते हैं उनकी 100 बातों में, पर जब वो चुप होते हैं दिल रोता है, उनके बिना हर रिश्ता अधूरा है। ना तो इश्क जताते हैं पर हर दुआ में वो सबसे पहले बताते हैं, हमसे रूठ भी जाए तो गलती हमारी होती है। पापा है उनका प्यार बस शब्दों से थोड़ी होता है।
Hello everyone, Happy Parents Day. I've made these medals and this bag for my parents. They are the best parents in the world and they always take care of me every day. I would like to thank Chitrakuta for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
I thank my parents for everything they have given me. They brought me into this beautiful world. They gave me shelter, they gave me food. If God couldn't do that, He created parents. He created parents to love me, He created parents to respect me, He created parents to give me care and affection which is never found in this world. If I even search this world for an eternity, I would found none of them who could teach me like my father would. If I search this entire universe, I wouldn't find one person like my mother who could love me more. Is there a friend who could love you more than your father or mother? Yes, there would be friends, but father and mothers will take care of you more than anyone else. They will love you more. Even if they feel harsh at sometimes, they're doing it to discipline you. They scold you, they treat you well, they give you food and everything. But in all of this, there's only one thing common. They love you more than anything else, and they want you to grow greater than them. That is why they shape you into what you are today. I thank the school for giving this wonderful opportunity to express my gratitude to my parents. Thank you.